Today we have a 13 Ford Escape, clean auto check history here in black with about 49,000 miles. This was a local trade, really in nice shape. As you can see, it's tuxedo black. It's got the new body style, which was actually new in 2013, so this would have been the first year for the body style change. As you can see, we'll come around here to the side. You get nice alloy wheels. No steel wheels here. I think it's a 17-inch. Excellent tread on these tires. We got Goodyear Assurance tires here, probably about 8, 9, 30 seconds, very much like new, over 3/4 tread. Also, I could see there we have a nice thick brake pad, resurfaced rotor. That's one thing we really try to do here at Thomas. We do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles, signed off by the mechanic to perform the inspection. You can find the results of that check in the glove box of all our vehicles. We want to make sure the next customer knows as much about the condition mechanically of this vehicle as we do. As you can see, you got two-tone light and dark gray cloth covered seats with a console that flows in between dark charcoal carpeting. Ample leg, hip, and shoulder room there for your front 2 occupants. It's a 5-passenger SUV in the compact segment. As you can see, very clean interior here as well. We also have some all-weather mats down there, and again, ample leg, hip, and shoulder room there for your rear occupants as well. Focusing in on this rear tire just to show you, it's like also a matching Goodyear Assurance, same type tread depth, about 8, 30 seconds, scuff-free 5-spoke alloy wheel. Now, this is an all-wheel drive vehicle. As you can see, it is the SE. It does have an EcoBoost engine, turbocharged 1.6. Also see there you have a dual exhaust and a Class 3 tow hitch there as well. Let's go ahead and pop the hatch so you can see that you have very, very nice cargo for a smaller SUV in the back here, to keep some of your options. And underneath you have a full-size spare there, or yes, spare there as well. Let's go ahead and look around to the side. Again, matching Goodyear Assurance tire. Give you a look from this side as well. Like I say, very clean. No rips, tears, stains, or rotors. Previous owner took good care of it. Also put some vent shades on the windows there for you. Ford gives you a combo entry exit. Allows you to leave the motor running if you need to run in. Keep the cabin climate controlled. Like I say, this vehicle does have a clean auto history. We got a copy of that as well. As you can see, no accidents, no brands on the title. Just going to give you a quick tour. Here are some of the options. You got your windows, mirrors, and locks on the door there. As you can see, 49,149 miles. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Go through some of the options. As you can see, you have automatic headlamp control and a dimmer switch for your interior lights and cluster. Fog lamp switch there on the left. Left stem, intermittent turn signals, and high beams. Intermittent wiper washers over on the right stem. We got your cruise down here to the lower left. Got your Bluetooth voice activation on the lower right. You have your display for your radio, AM, FM satellite there with your controls below. Also, you have your climate controls down below that. Automatic transmission with the sport shift to pick your gear below that. 12-volt power supply there. Hand pull for the emergency brake. 2 large cup holders. And in the console's your connectivity. Another 12-volt power supply, audio pre-out, USB, all right in there. LED map lights, no roof on this model. And let's go ahead and jump out and show you this 1.6 engine. Hood releases right here. The A-pillar. And we'll come out here and just give you a peek underneath the hood. This EcoBoost engine gives really great performance, variable valve timing, turbocharged, and really just a nice performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. You can see how very clean this engine compartment is, very quiet. Previous owner took very good care of it. You can see no fluid leaks, no exhaust leaks, no corrosion on terminals. Everything looks like it should remain there. Let's shut the engine off here. We'll get into the next portion of this video. This next portion is something I think that really differentiates Thomas from a lot of a lot of dealers out there is not only are we completely upfront and transparent in our pricing, also in the condition of our vehicles. Obviously, this is a used vehicle. There are some minor blemishes, and I'm going to spend the next portion of this video just trying to go over, especially to give our online viewers a really in-depth look of the condition of this vehicle. We have one little stone chip right there, another little stone chip right there that's been touched up with factory paint, small chip there. You know, these little stone chips you're going to get on any vehicle. Just really want to get in tight and show you a couple of little chips there that we had touched up. Dent-wise, looks good on that passenger door and fender. I don't see any dents up on the roof or belt line up top either. On the quarter panel, we look dent-free as well. We have another little chip that we touched up right there. See if I can catch that in the light. Rear fascia looks really good. Tiny little scratch right there. Tiny little scratch there and there that we chipped up, but very, very minor issues. Rest of the deck lid looks good. Rear fascia looks good. Coming around to the passenger side quarter panel here. Again, ding and dent free. Looks really, really nice. One little dent right here. See if I can catch that in the light for you guys. You see a little dent right there on that door. That's the first dent I've noticed. Front door looks good. Moving to the passenger side fender here. Looks good as well. A couple little minor stone chips across the front. This does have a low profile, a little bit of bug damage to the clear coat of the paint. You're there again going to have that little ding right there on that lower valance, but you're going to have that on any vehicle. Also, a couple little stone chips here on the hood. I'll just kind of pan over that. You'll be able to see a few little stone chips there. But really, all in all, excellent, excellent value. Very good condition for the miles in the year of this vehicle. It does still have some remaining powertrain warranty from Ford Factory Motors. So you can buy this car with confidence. If you're interested in it, a few different ways of getting a hold of us. Look us up on the web, www.thomasata.com. Give us a ring at area code 717-485-4224. My name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.